It's been a while that I've been not in boxing for 4 years, but I'm still active in terms of exercise, training, like that. The fans might be worried about my condition, but you know, that's what I need to prove it, that I'm not that kind of fighter that lazy or need to train. But I'm a fighter that I can work hard as I used to before when I was young and until now. And I'm pretty sure that this coming Saturday is going to be a lot of action and the fans will be happy. And that's my goal, to make the fans satisfied with this fight. We're going to show to the world that boxing is not dead or still alive and kicking. And Manny Pacquiao is still here. And all I can say is, I'm back.